Apple keeps on surprising us by announcing its new products that will hit the markets very soon. From iPhone 14 and Watch Series 8 to the fresh MacBook Air, all these products will be out soon this year. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here to talk about the Apple MacBook Air 2022, which was announced at WWDC on June 6th and is said to launch in July 2022, which means it is just around the corner. Rumors are going strong about its major redesign, which makes it sleek and lightweight. It has an M2 chip, a variety of colors, an upgraded webcam, and whatnot. So, let's see what these rumors are all about. This time, Apple is said to have made significant changes in the design of the new MacBook Air. We just can't wait to see what it's like. Let's get into the details of all its features. So, I know for most of the people here, price is a major aspect in making a decision to buy. Well, the new MacBook Air is said to have a starting price of $1,199 depending on the GPU and the storage. The 7-core GPU with 256GB SSD will cost $999, while the 8-core GPU with 512 SSD will be for $1,249. The upcoming MacBook Air is expected to be thinner than the present model, with a design inspired by the MacBook Pro and iMac. According to rumors, the machine will have slim off-white bezels and a corresponding off-white keyboard, with a silver, space gray, gold, and possibly a blue chassis. Because of the fanless design, the new MacBook Air will be substantially lighter, weighing only 1.2 kilograms. The previous MacBook, by comparison, weighed 1.29 kilograms. The tapered edges are also said to be narrower. Silver, Starlight, Space Gray, and Midnight are the colors expected for the new MacBook Air. According to most speculations, Apple is working on a new M2 chip for the MacBook Air. The M2 processor won't be as powerful as the M1 Pro and M1 Max CPUs seen in the 2021 models, but it's said to be a more powerful version of the M1 chip. The M2 microprocessor is predicted to have the same number of computer cores, 8, as the M1, but speed advancements will make it somewhat quicker. It could also have better graphics, with 9 or 10 GPU cores instead of the present M1 MacBook Air's 7 or 8. In terms of day-to-day performance, applying picture filters and effects to photos, Apple claims that it will be up to 20% faster. For video editing, the M2 chip makes Final Cut Pro roughly 40% faster. The next generation MacBook Air camera is still not as good as the iPhone and iPad, but still, Apple has claimed it as one of the best cameras ever introduced on Mac. It will most likely have the same 1080p camera as the MacBook Pro. It's an upgrade over the current 720p camera, and it's aided by Apple's image signal processor, but it still falls short of the camera quality found on the iPhones and iPads. The 3-mic array captures clear audio, and a more powerful 4-speaker sound system is available. The Air 2022 includes Dolby Atmos support as well as support for spatial audio. The speaker and microphones are located between the keyboard and the display in terms of audio. The MacBook Air 2022 will also feature MagSafe charging connectors, which keep your charging cords securely plugged in. Apple ID is also expected to be included. While the MacBook Air will have numerous USB-C and Thunderbolt connections, it's said that an SD card slot and an HDMI port will be missing. But it's expected to be reserved for the MacBook Pro to differentiate the two machines. With the MacBook Pro, Apple debuted a mini LED display, and the MacBook Air may follow suit, though this is still up in the air based on reports. According to Apple display researcher Ross Young, the MacBook Air will continue to use an LCD display, with mini LED reserved for more expensive Pro models. The MacBook Air is believed to remain about 13 inches in size, but it could grow to 13.6 inches from 13.3 inches. There's still confusion about whether or not it will feature a notch, just like the MacBook Pro. This new MacBook does seem impressive, but let's see how it actually turns out once released. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.